Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Whitehorn, a peaceful and family-friendly neighborhood located in the northeast quadrant of Calgary, Alberta. This community is known for its quiet streets and well-maintained parks, providing a serene environment for its residents. The neighborhood's name, Whitehorn, is derived from the Whitehorn Mountain, which is part of the Canadian Rockies and visible from certain parts of the area. Whitehorn offers a mix of residential living with local amenities such as schools, shops, and community centers, making it an ideal place for families and individuals looking for a balanced lifestyle.